Nandito na naman si Pinay. So today I'm gonna eat my dinner. It's ready made because today I have I'm only happy today, but I went to the market and I saw my friend, the very nice one. She's a very nice person. So we are talking a little bit longer outside, and I asked her to come inside, but she refused it because you see, if she will come to me, then maybe she don't want to go home soon because she wants to talk more. So it's better she sit outside. So that's why I even forget my premiere. So I'm very sorry, guys. Please forgive me, but I will go to your house later. Promise. So my food is I don't know what is this. I forget. with chicken, and then with green beans, and then it's something like I don't know what is this, potatoes, I think. Potatoes, and then with gravy. It's lekker. I say it in Netherlands. It's super tasty, so I don't need a sauce anymore. So this is it. I'm set. And I got all super nice. Sinabi ko to kasi ayaw niya daw ako ng lalaki ako kasi alam niyo na. So, dati ganun. And then, little by little, I expand. So, and then the next time, So, that's life. If you are going to become older, then it's always changing your way. So, guys, be serious now. Before D-O-M, dirty old man. So while we are eating, I'm eating. Excuse me. So we shall talk about this because some of my friends that I know is like, you think if they will catch already an old man, it's already catching. No, you mistake, guys, especially in the Philippines. A woman looking for men, the thing is that they will pick an old man. They think it's already a rich man, and especially they are find it in the internet, like a dating site, so it's not only that the people that I know, but I also seen a lot of people that they are already in the Philippines and they are already came in abroad. And then it's not only the woman, but the man. The man is looking for an Asiatic woman. Mostly is they are looking for to take care of each other if they are old, and they become serious already, But some also, the old man, he wants to look for Asiatic woman because here in abroad we have difficult to find a white one the same as their people, because they are both hard attitude, the very strong attitude. So if they are fighting, it's really terrible. So we are Asiatic. We are very calm, you know. We are not so very aggressive. We can be aggressive in our mouth, but not in a violence way. So, but the woman, you know, they likes also to hit their man, you know. So, if the man beat the woman here, the woman will beat also to the man. So now, guys, uh, I've seen a lot of Filipinos that they are from Philippines, and the men, they are looking for a Filipina. So not all old men they are rich, you know, because here I'm already living here in Belgium for 25 years here. So I'm already Belgian nationality for 20 years now, you know. So I know already most of the culture here, you know. And then we are talking about for a man who's looking for a Filipina. So some men here, an old man, you think, guys, kapinays, na andyan sa Pilipinas, na a man who's looking for a Filipina, you think they are rich. No, you are mistaken. Because some of them, the old men, when they are young before, they are lazy to work. They will work only 1, 2, 3 years, 4 years, and the longest is 5 years. So now, excuse me. After that, they will update their being sick, operation, or they don't do good their job, so they will fire them. So they will lose their job. Then, after that, they will do like stample. You know what stample is like? Stamp that the government will pay you, because they have a reason why he can stample, because they throw him out of the work, or otherwise he is sick, he is on leave, a sick leave, and then he is in operation. So that kind of things is very the government there, they will accept. But if they are old, then they get trouble, because they have difficult to find work. So now, what they will do? Go to the dating site and look for a Filipino who is looking for a man too. Then the old man, they will find a young lady, and that young lady also is already thinking, kaching, this will be a rich man. No, girl, not all old men are rich. Not all old men are working hard when they are young. Because most of old men now that was looking for a Filipino, they are a lazy one. When they are young, they are lazy to find work, or they are lazy to go work, because they don't want to have a boss in their work. They want to be a boss to their own self. So now they will look to the Philippines for a Filipina, or they find in the internet, and then they will go for a holiday and to look to the Filipina. And then the Filipino also, they become like big head already, and they think it's really old man is a dirty old man that matandang mayaman madaling mamatay daw, because they don't know. They live in the Philippines, they did not live here in abroad, and they don't know what is the situation here, and they don't know what is the culture here. Not all foreigners are rich. Not all people who live there in abroad, they are rich. The same as we are not rich. We're just a simple worker people here. But the one that we earn, what the rich people can do, we can do also. That's only the big difference. Because we work hard. But not the same as the old man now that before they're very lazy. Very lazy. They only go to the Philippines because they want to have a partner to take care of them because they're already worried. No one will take care for them because if they will stay here in Belgium, they have nothing. Where they live in the social, in the government, by the government. We call that OC in we. Because the income is not very big. They are in pension and they have only a very little money. Some of them, they will give only 150 euro, 300, and the highest is 500. And that's why the government, they will help them to let them rent in a very cheap apartment which is very old and stink and a lot of dirt and a scream all on the wall. So that is most of the old men live here in Belgium. Very cheap way. And then if they will go to Philippines, they look like rich because of course the woman, they think he came from abroad. It's an old man, have already a lot of money. He don't have money in the bank. He don't have savings because he's so lazy when he is old. When he was young, he's so lazy. When he's young, he don't want to go work. And then when he become old already, it's difficult to find work. So that's the problem. And they think they will go to Philippines because it's cheaper to live there. No way, it's not cheaper to live there. It's only good there if you are good in hands for business and if you have a good income, because the worth of expenses there in the Philippines is already almost the same here and abroad. So gosh, women that they're in the Philippines, you're just lucky if you will find a man who is working hard when they are young. And then if they get pension, they have a very, very, very big pension money. Then a man who don't have work before, they will get only 500 a month. They will go to Philippines. They will find a woman, and the woman also is very ambitious. Very ambitious. It's already a big head. The man will go there first, but they cannot stay there first for a long time because it's still processing for all the papers. Asking for money. The woman always asking for money. So he will go there for visit, and then later he will come back here. And the woman, he will find it also, honey, send me a money. because I need something. I will pay for my rent. And I have to do like this, like that, like this. He's always saying like that. And of course the man also will become crazy here. What he can do? He have only 500 euro in a month. He will divide it. And the money, a little bit that they give it to them from the government here, the social, the OCME. Then that is the one who will give to his woman in the Philippines. And the woman, she don't know nothing. Because she thinks, dirty old man. Matandang mayaman, madaling mamatay. Oh gosh. Matandang mayaman, matagal mamatay kamo. Ayan, ang mga tamad na matatanda. Sorry. Ayan. So, nagkamali kayo, girl. Nagkamali talaga kayo. Marami pa ako ditong sa susunod. Lucky nyo lang kung ang asawa nyo ay marunong magtrabaho at noon nung may liit pa sila, when they were young, they like to go work. Then if they go on pension, then it's a very big cut change. Then you are lucky girl. Mostly they are really a dirty old man that who likes to go in the prostitute. You know that? That's why also is a lot of dirty old man, they will find a woman in the bar. And some of them, they are lucky that they will bring them in the abroad and then they will have a good life. But if you are in the Philippines, no way, because the man, he cannot come here because his income is not to bring with a woman here, and you have only 500 income or 500 pension. It's not enough for the two of you. I have a friend here, I just don't want to mention her. The man went to the Philippines and she thought the man is very rich. When she came here, the man, he lived only a very small room. It's like a bedroom only. The kitchen is already there. It's like a gas fire only on the table. The bathroom. Oh my gosh. I really go there because she's doing my nails. It's good that she have an extra job for doing the nails. She even cried because she said the man was lying. He's lying to her. And then she realized that it's really true what others say, that not all men are rich. Okay guys, this vlog is very long already, so I hope next time we can go further up this talking, because there is still a lot that I have to tell you. Bye bye.